What is quietly damaging your gut without you even realizing it? If you can eat whatever you want and never gain a pound, it sounds like a blessing. But if you're also feeling run down, it's actually a warning sign. The problem isn't what you're eating, it's what you're failing to absorb.
Hi, I'm Dr. Stephen Smith, retired functional medicine physician. Let me ask you something. Are you the person everybody envies? The one who can eat whatever you want and never gain a pound? Sounds ideal, right? But here's the thing. If you're underweight and you can't gain weight, no matter how much you eat, and on top of that, you just don't feel great, that's not a blessing. That's a warning sign. The problem may not be what you're eating. The problem may be what you're not absorbing. Here's how it works. Of all the macronutrients, protein is the hardest to absorb. Your body can't use protein directly. It has to break it down into the individual amino acids first, absorb those, and then reassemble them into proteins your body needs. That's a complex, multi-step process. And if your gut is damaged or compromised in any way, that process breaks down. You can eat pretty much plenty of protein and still be protein deficient because it never fully makes it in. During my practice, we tested for this using a Metabolomix test, a nutritional analysis that includes malabsorption markers. For seniors, this is typically covered by Medicare. What I can tell you about is about 30% of patients showed significant malabsorption markers. And for that group, I tried virtually every gut repair product available over the years. Nothing worked as consistently as one product.
After seeing these markers in my patients, I had to find a solution that actually addressed the root cause.
Metagenics UltraGI Replenish. I believe the reason comes down to a single patented ingredient,
2'-Fucosyllactose,
or 2FL. This molecule is found naturally in human breast milk. Its job there is to protect the newborn's gut from pathogens, and it does the same thing in adults. Think of it as the sheriff of your intestinal tract. When pathogens are present, bacterial, viral, or fungal 2FL intercepts them before they can bind to and damage your gut lining. Once that protection is placed, you can finally start healing. Without it, the cycle continues. Constant damage, constant inflammation, no absorption, no matter what else you take or how much you eat. The other reason this product works so well for people with malabsorption is the way it delivers nutrients. Instead of protein, it uses free-form amino acids. The proteins have already been broken down. Your gut doesn't have to do that work. The amino acids absorb directly in a compromised gut. It's essentially doing the digestion for you. Because UltraGI Replenish is a bit more expensive, we tried switching patients to lower-cost alternatives. They were willing, but the alternatives simply didn't deliver the same results. We kept coming back to UltraGI Replenish because nothing else worked the same way. That kind of consistent clinical outcome tells you something no label can. And UltraGI Replenish is where I would start. I'm Dr. Stephen Smith.
Links to all the products are below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.